What's up, cupcakes? Good afternoon. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? What's going on here today? Boom. Bitcoin back inside of our golden pocket. Just kind of chilling, killing like a villain. 104,531. I'd buy that for $1. Let's go, guys. I'm going to be doing some DCAing today. I got a special video coming out today about another project that I just started buying last night. I'm going to talk about it over on the Patreon this afternoon, guys. Make sure you're there for that. What do we got going on in the chats here? Yo, Mars in the house. Love you, Rob. Hit the likes, peeps. Yes. Hit the like button, guys. What do you at? We're 171 people watching, 32 likes. Guys, smash that like button. Don't do me dirty, man. Don't do me dirty. Ducks in my pond. Let's get this party started correctly. I dig it, man. I dig it. Thank you so much. Where have you been, by the way? You've been very spotty. I haven't seen you much lately. How you been, my friend? Good to see you. Good to see you, man. Thank you so much. Super chats have been kind of low over the last 2 or 3 days. Well, I guess not last night, tonight, but yesterday afternoon they were good. But yeah, you can tell when the market's down because that kind of stuff kind of dissipates. But that's the sentiment in the market, right? It's the sentiment in the market. How the hell are you guys, man? J Money in the house, Bulbasaur, what's happening, my dude? Be sure to smash the like button when you walk through the door and don't sack Rob in the gonads. Yes, exactly. Al reposted the stream. Thank you so much, Al. I appreciate you, my friend. William, what's up, buddy? Good to see you. Quentin is in the house. Wealth X, let's get Miss Carry Trade unwinding. There you go, exactly. EZ, just put a 6-pack of whoop-ass in the fridge. Let's go. Alfonso, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, my friend. Good to see you. Jared's in the house. Happy birthday to the best leader in the space with the best group of weirdos out there. Hope everyone has a great DCA. Thank you so much. Tomorrow is actually my birthday. Me and Gamma Goddess. As always, guys, like I said before, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow. It doesn't cost you a penny, and it's greatly appreciated, guys, right? And it feels good to be appreciated, and I would appreciate you. So go ahead and do that for me. That'd be super fantastic. All right. What else do we have? Spuds, what's up, man? Mark, I got into Zebek early and cheap, then found you talking about Zebek. You do a great job. Love you, baby. Thank you so much, Mark. I appreciate you, man. Good Saturday evening. Alpaco. Oh, house buy order is set for Jasmine and XCN at a penny. Yes, by the way, speaking of Jasmine, I did submit the questions that we had for Hara. So I did send those over to Hara this morning. So I don't know when we'll get a reply, when we'll get answers to our questions. Probably in rather short order, but it is the weekend, so keep that in mind. But as soon as Hara responds to our list of questions, and once again, greatly appreciated to Hara for taking the time out for our community and responding to our questions about the nodes, about Junction. That's absolutely fantastic. So stay tuned, guys. I will make a video with all of his answers to all of our questions as soon as I receive them. So, yeah. Mark, I got to set up super chat so I can hook you up. Oh, that'd be awesome, brother. That'll be greatly appreciated, my dude. Zebek to 50 cents, man, that would be epic. Could you imagine? That would be crazy. Oh, House says no like button equals no bull run. Guys, it's scientifically proven. If you're here, if you're watching and you refuse, you outright defiance choose to not hit the like button, it cancels the bull run, right? It's scientifically proven. So, if you want a bull run, you got to hit the like button, guys. Both my likes are in. There you go. A guy. There you go, man. Hashtag Rob's gonads matter. Nice. Yes. Mike, what's up, buddy? I was waiting for your live, and I forgot for a second, and you had the volume. Let's get this money. There you go. Christopher Onyx in the house. I'm a cupcake. You a cupcake. Good afternoon, Rob. Bullish pennant to 160. Let's go. Jake the Snake, altcoins go parabolic June 26th, 3:48 p.m. Guys, it better not be 3:49 or else you're wrong. Guaranteed. Write it down. Mark, happy birthday, Rob. Thank you so much. My birthday is actually tomorrow, but thank you. Thank you so much. Dale, ICP bag holder here. Can you look at the chart and give a price target for this run? My price target for ICP, I mean, I'd probably be getting out of it somewhere between 50 to 60 bucks, to be honest with you. But in the short term, I know a lot of people are giving misinformation saying that ICP is going to go back to $700 and stuff like that. Like, no, it's not. And that's fine. That's fine. Right? It's a good project. It's a good project. It's just not going to go, to redonkulous prices. Hang on a second here. All right, what do we have? Low to the high, or high to the low. You're looking at. I really got to set my fibs up properly on here. I mean, yeah. So you're looking at your resistance around the 236 at $7.24. You'll probably break through there eventually after you exit this. And obviously you're in an accumulation zone. You have been for a little while now, right? And that's a good thing. Your bottom, in my opinion, your bottom is in. You're just in that accumulation zone right there. When you break up, you're probably going to snap through there. If you break past the 50 at about $10.10, I mean, I could see us coming all the way up in the near term to your 786, about $13.14, maybe correcting back down around $11.37, something like that. Probably what's going to happen for ICP. Mr. Ambitious, happy birthday for tomorrow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Mark, got to get more XCN and feel like I'll be set, maybe at a bag. Maybe at a G to the bag. There you go. A little bit of G-bar, a little bit of groceries. Pith next big runner, Rob. Pith is going to do amazing. ICP is tough. Came from 600 bucks. I'm going to go out on a limb and say ZBIC will destroy ICP. Yeah, ZBIC will definitely perform better than ICP. I mean, ICP really honestly got a real bad short end of the stick in the last bull run, right? Because Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX, that whole debacle, they manipulated the price action of ICP. It was artificially pumped up to like, what was the high here? Let's have a look at what the high was for ICP. ICP, the high was like, I think it was like $700, wasn't it? Yeah, $700. So it was artificially inflated to that price, and then Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX they crashed it, right? Because they tried to basically extort the team at ICP to give them tokens, and when they said no, they crashed the price of the project, and then everybody blamed the team of ICP for it when it wasn't actually the team's fault. So ICP is a great project, and it's just started to come out over the last 2 years or so, in this cycle, that it wasn't actually ICP's team's fault. So I think they have a new lease on life, but their all-time high is kind of, irrelevant. It's kind of doesn't count, so to speak, right? So are you still expecting market will start crawling up from next week? Yes, I am. Happy birthday for tomorrow, Rob. Thank you so much. Scientifically proven, if you hit the like button, Rob will not eat a Kit Kat. Well, I mean, I have been known to defy the laws of science, so don't put your money on that. Because if you put a Kit Kat bar in front of me, it's not going to be all right. There she is, Gamma Goddess in the house. Looking forward to our birthday tomorrow. It's our special day. It's Father's Day too. Hope tomorrow brings green candles to us. If not, more buying and DCAing for us. Yes, exactly. Let's get this money. I'm going to be doing some buying today. I'm excited about it. I am. I'm feeling good. James, what's up, man? Have a great birthday. Thank you. Father's Day tomorrow. Blessed to be part of your community. Thank you so much, man. Dion, can you please give an estimate on how low you think Jasmine will go? I think Jasmine is pretty close to bottomed out, my friend. I don't really see it going much lower. I think essentially for the most part, the whole market's kind of bottomed out. I think we've found support for the most part, and we'll start to work our way up next week. That's what I see happening. Mark, hey Rob, you write about ICP. I feel the same. Yeah, hey, absolutely, brother. Good project. Kizza in the house. My dude, what's up, buddy? Hey Rob, can you please take a look at GLQ? That sounds made up. You just made that up, didn't you? $7.25 million market cap. It's got good tokenomics. AI play, layer 1. All-time high was last year, 19 cents. Blockchain ecosystem that provides Web3 developer platform for building on-chain automate. Okay, powered by AI. It seems like an okay project, but you need more listings. That's what you need here. You need some more tier 2 listings, right? Maybe at 1 or 2. You need like a crypto.com, maybe a Coinbase or a Binance to pick it up as well. But it seems like a good project, really. It seems okay. So, yeah. JJ, happy birthday, blessings. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. Very thoughtful, man. Very, very thoughtful. Where are we here? I lost where I was. ICB Bagel here. Can you look at the charts? I already looked at that. There's Gamma Goddess. Okay. Kizza. Okay, here we are. What's up, people? Envy's in the house. Jared, we lost a few days waiting for this run to kick off. Wouldn't it be weird if it kicked off on you and Gamma's birthday? You guys got to blow the big green candles for us. I ain't blowing nobody's candle, brother. That's what I'll tell you. Jesse, happy weekend, and I hope you had a blessed birthday, bro. Thank you. Birthday's actually tomorrow. My buy order for Zebek hasn't filled. Oof. It may still. I feel like you're shadow banned on YouTube. I can't see your videos on the front page anymore. Yeah, they go through like these spurts. They shill YouTube will push the channel out, and then they'll all of a sudden they'll start shadow banning it for weeks on end, right? So it's probably going to be a tough grind over the next month to keep the channel growing, because they're probably going to shadow ban me for the next month, and then it will explode again to, So yeah, I don't know why I don't know what the deal is. Like, I don't think I've been swearing much on here or anything, because there's certain things that you can't talk about or they'll shadow ban you, like the conflict out in the East right now. If you talk about that, they'll shadow ban you. Like, a lot of people don't understand that. It's right in the terms of agreement with YouTube. If you talk about those kind of, those 3-letter words that start with W and end with R, they'll shadow ban you. They'll even delete your channel for it, right? So I know some channels are talking about it, but they're walking a fine line, in my opinion. I don't even want to mess with it, man. House, what's up, man? How low do you think Jasmine would go? I think it's pretty much bottomed out, man. Fridge, what's going on, my dude? Good to see you. Green tea, we got Squirtle in the house. There you go. Chase says, Miria, hell yeah. Big C, Rob, happy birthday, man. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to you, Rob, and Gamma Goddess. Thanks for all you guys are doing for us. Hey, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Strawberry Dragon in the house. What's going on? Overcome. E-Dubs, happy birthday, Rob and Gamma Goddess. Tomorrow, hit the like and subscribe, and make sure to join the Patreon. Yes. Alex, happy birthday, Rob. Thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate you. Okay, well, we're caught up on the chat, guys. Let's go have a look at some of the news out there in the crypto space. Not a lot going on this Saturday. Not a whole bunch of news, but we do have some things to get into, so we will have a look at it. Just bear with me here for a momento. Un momento, por favor. We only have 75 likes, guys. 75. That sucks, man. That really sucks. You know that? All right. What do we have? U.S. stock market declines amidst energy sector surge. On June 13th, yesterday, major U.S. indices like the Dow Jones and NASDAQ saw notable declines. The stock market drop reflects broader risk-on sentiment as energy and defense sectors saw significant gains. Houston's energy surged by 117.79%, marking a significant gain despite broader market declines. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and other major indices recorded losses by the end of the week. Houston Energy followed suit with a 55.63% gain, highlighting a strong performance among energy stocks. Market analysts have noted potential volatility, but leading industry figures and corporations have maintained silence regarding these specific shifts, as noted in a report. Did you know, in previous downturns, the energy sector has often provided refuge, reinforcing its traditional role as a defensive asset during broader market declines? According to CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin currently trading at $104,471 right now, with a market cap of 2.09 trillion and the market dominance of 63.85% the last 24 hours. You know, we're going to have a look at the M2 money supply. I was just kind of thinking about that while I was reading. Okay, Bitcoin dominance kind of took a turn to the upside today, as you can see, kind of pumping a bit. I don't think Bitcoin dominance is done. I think Bitcoin dominance could still get up inside of here. Now, some people disagree with that. They think that Bitcoin dominance can't go as high because there's so many altcoins. I disagree. Right? We'll see. We'll see if we can quite get there. Right? It's possible we double top here for Bitcoin dominance at about 65.37%. That's possible as well. We're not quite there yet, but it could happen. We could, if we double top here and we see Bitcoin dominance collapse to the downside, that would be absolutely amazing. But let's go have a look. I'm just kind of trending sideways right now. What is my correlation right now on the M2? I'm on the 108 day. Let's go back here. 80 day. Let's check out a couple other. Let's go to the 85 day. Didn't really make much of a difference. What about the 70? There we go. Look at that. Funny because we're kind of lined up perfectly. Look at that. We're kind of lined up perfectly with this dip right here in this range, right? We pumped up, correction, pumped up, little correction. Are we going to continue chopping now? It looks like we're just going to continue chopping to the upside here, but we'll see. We shall see. Looks good though, guys. Looks pretty good. I dig it. Isaiah, happy birthday, Rob. Thank you so much, man. Do you think next week we will crawl slowly or rip fast to the upside? Well, it kind of looks like we're going to have another rip to the upside here, if I'm being honest. It looks like we're going to have another nice little ripperoo. So keep an eye on that. All right, what other news do we have going on? Kind of a quiet stream this afternoon. I don't know where everybody is on this Saturday. Maybe they're out at the fair with their kids or something. I don't know. Crypto market sees 190 million in liquidations amid volatile movements. The crypto market experienced over $190 million in liquidations across major exchanges like Binance and OKX, primarily affecting leveraged Bitcoin and Ethereum positions over the past 24 hours. These large-scale liquidations highlight the risks in leveraged crypto trading and saw short positions particularly affected, hinting at a potential market rally. Environment, environment of high market volatility led to $190 million in liquidations due to leveraged positions. Major exchanges like Binance and OKX witnessed significant Bitcoin and Ethereum positions being wiped out, primarily affecting short traders. Bitcoin encountered its largest single liquidation of 6.26 million on Binance, with the Ethereum USDT swap liquidation on OKX addressing 5.21 million. In total, over 58,000 traders were impacted across the market. That's why it's never a good idea to use leverage trading at times like this, guys. The crypto market responded with certain altcoins like Shiba Inu, Pi, and Hype showing resilience, rebounding 3 to 4.5%, even as major assets struggled. Market participants are analyzing these reactions closely for signs of broader recovery. The recent volatility is has reminiscent overtones of previous macroeconomic stress events. Financial implications remain, with leveraged traders sustaining significant losses. The crypto market inherent risk, blah, 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 blah. We know. While regulatory bodies have remained silent, the market is vigilant for any regulatory outcomes. Historical trends, I wouldn't bet on any legal framework passing anytime soon. Though we could see the Ripple and XRP case come to an end, which would be maybe a bullish sentiment in the market. Happy dirty 30, Big Rob. Yeah, I wish I was turning 30. Are you kidding me? 30? I would take 30, 100%. Gamma Goddess says, thank you, amazing coins. Ducks in my pond. I like looking at the M2 versus the total crypto market cap or against BTC on the weekly. Not so much on the daily. Makes me feel good about things. Well, hey, let's look over at the weekly. Just for you, my friend. Just for you. Because I love you. So we're on Bitcoin on the daily right now. Let's go over to the weekly. Boom. There you go. Oh, that's why it makes you feel good, right? That's why it makes you feel good. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt it makes you feel good, man. What's the correlation that you use, though? Because it's not looking that great right now on the 70 day. Maybe what's the 80? No, not that great on the 80. Let me see if I can find a time frame that kind of fits. 2 months. What's 2 months look like? That's a little closer. 90 days. Let's go for 3 months. There we go. That looks a little better. That looks more like it, right? That looks more like it. Yeah, no kidding. But it does say we have this dip coming on the weekly, but, we'll see. I see why you like it, though, my dude. 10 instead of 70? You like looking at it 10 days? That's it? I don't think I've ever looked at that such a low time frame. Oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying on the 10-day. Yeah, looks like we got a bit of a rip on the 10-day if it holds. You're looking at like $127,500 Bitcoin in the next sometime before August 18th. Oh, I see what you like. Happy early birthday. I hope you are going to use big green candles for your cake. Yes. Hey, Rob, congrats. Congrats for birthday future. Thank you. Lily, what's going on? Switch BTC to 10. Got an extra bag to invest. Can't decide XRP or ZBIC. Any thoughts? Well, it depends on what your ROI wants to be. If you want to double, if you want a 2 to 2x your money, go XRP. If you want to significantly go higher, then you should probably go with ZBIC, right? 10 instead of 70, 10 week. Yes, there we go. Yeah, that's what I see why you like it. I see why you like it, brother. 1000X by Matt Fuhr. Okay. Cool, man. Cool. I dig it. What else do we have? We got one more story to cover here. Looks like this is going to be a short stream. White House blocks crypto conflict provision in Clarity Act. The White House has reportedly blocked a proposed conflict of interest provision within the Clarity Act, which sought to enforce disclosure requirements for politicians engaged in cryptocurrency businesses. Democrats and Republicans were working in good faith to try and find some combination of language. We thought we had found one. Republicans worked on the text of submitting it for approval through their usual administrative review process. Ultimately, the White House rejected that version. Involved parties included the White House, led by President Mr. T, and bipartisan lawmakers who negotiated the provision's language, which was ultimately rejected. The decision significantly affected disclosure obligations. No immediate financial market impact has been recorded following the rejection. Key assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum and major governance tokens remained unaffected, according to available market data. However, future implications for U.S.-based crypto investments might arise as regulatory clarity and disclosures continue to evolve. Industry stakeholders remain attentive to forthcoming legislative adjustments. Previous attempts at financial disclosure reform for public officials have often faced similar challenges. The provisions rejected maintains a pattern of opposition to stringent regulatory measures. This situation could lead to renewed discussions on political accountability within the cryptocurrency space, compelling future legislative bodies to address regulatory concerns more robustly. Well, we'll see what happens, right? Very interesting. I wonder why they're having issues with transparency, essentially. Myriad seems to have found support. Yes, I agree. I agree. If we go to the Myriad chart, I was looking at Myriad's chart this morning and I noticed that actually, because I hadn't looked at Myriad's chart really in a couple of days, I think. But if we go look at Myriad there, yes, we did bounce perfectly off previous resistance. See, when we broke out of the inverse head and shoulders, we had this as resistance. We broke through it, right? And now we've come back down and we've retested it perfectly as support. So if we can continue to close candles above here, that's very, very good that we're making this resistance level support right now. That's very, very good. Ramona, happy weekend, everyone. I was driving and couldn't send super chats until now. Let's go get the money. Please hit the like button. I appreciate you, Ramona. Always drive safe. Always drive safe. I need my Ramona in my life. Go fast. You already know I'm a sissy bear. Much thanks and respect, Rob. Hey, absolutely, man. Absolutely. So yeah, that's the skinny on what's going on today so far, guys. Not a whole bunch else going on. I will be back later tonight. But for now, I'm going to get over to the Patreon. I got a mentoring coaching call I got to get through over there. People need my help. So guys, if you need mentorship from someone who's been around for multiple cycles, get over there to the Patreon. The link is down below. It's in the chat. It's in the pinned comments. It's in the description. We have mentorship coaching calls every day. You can book yourself in, and they're absolutely free as a Patreon member. So join today. Get yourself into our mentorship coaching calls. Learn everything you need to know about crypto, hot wallets, cold wallets, TA, tokenomics, how to do research, how to structure portfolios, exit strategies, profit-taking plans, and everything else you need to know. Plus, we have one of the best communities in crypto. We got thousands of people over there. The chats are always buzzing. Everyone's always having a good time. We always get rid of the bad apples immediately. So we don't have toxic people. It's a phenomenal community. And I love to watch. Sometimes I just pop in. I don't say anything. I'll just pop into the chat just to watch everybody helping each other and stuff. And it's just a phenomenal thing, guys. So get over there, join the mentorship coaching calls. And I am dropping a gem video today, okay? You're not going to want to miss out on this. This is as micro cap gem as you can get as well, right? So going to be a fantastic play, guys. I'm going to be talking about it today. And yeah, click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys later tonight. God bless.